Holy shit, this is really good. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with today's video for you guys. It is like the epitome of freezing in my house today, but I am going to make smoothies. I get a ton of people asking me for advice on what to put in smoothies or like what I put in my smoothies, and a lot of people that I've made smoothies for think they're really good, so I figured that I would come up with 5 different smoothies to show you guys that you can make at home and that you can find ingredients fairly easily. A lot of the stuff that I put in them is going to be optional because I know it's kind of difficult to get a hold on some of these things, and I want to try to make it easy and affordable for everybody. Without further ado, we're going to head into the kitchen and I will start showing you the smoothies. Also, I am sitting in front of my plants. This is my Majesty plant. She's beautiful and I love her. And this is my Monstera. I'm really enthusiastic about my plants and I love them and they're cute. So show some love. All right, let's go to the kitchen. We're now in the kitchen. Got my blender behind me here. The first smoothie that we will be making, I'm gonna call a blueberry muffin smoothie. This smoothie is gonna have banana, frozen blueberries, almond milk, my protein powder, which is optional, maca, which is also optional, chia, or avocado, and spinach. As I make them, I'm going to kind of talk about the health benefits behind each thing and why I put them in there. I'm gonna just start off by saying that I haven't measured these out to a T. I just usually throw a bunch of stuff in like a cup. So I'm going to try my best to measure everything out for you guys so you have like a decent idea of how much of everything to put in there. Let's get started on this blueberry muffin smoothie. Hey guys, so before I get into this video for real, I just want to let you guys all know that I am no nutritionist. These recipes also just came out of the top of my head, things that I had either tried before or wanted to try together. Basically, I just don't want you to think that these are like top tier smoothies. These are just what I like and what I like to put into my smoothies and what I think is good health benefit and taste wise. And I'm also doing all of these for the first time in this video and just wanted to put that in there so you guys don't like hate me if something doesn't taste the way you thought it would. I don't know. I'm just like trying to be unproblematic here, okay? I just want to make good smoothies for people. That's enough rambling. On to the video. Alright, so here's all the ingredients I just listed off for my blueberry muffin smoothie. I'm gonna start by putting in a almond breeze coconut almond milk blend as well as some water for my liquids. I ended up putting a lot more in at the end because it was way too thick. Next, I'm putting in 1 scoop of my KOS organic plant protein that's blueberry muffin flavored. I absolutely love this brand. It is really good protein powder. Protein is really good in my smoothies, especially for after a workout. After that, I am adding a tablespoon of maca powder, which is known for helping improve your mood, and it is also packed with high levels of iron and iodine, which help promote healthy cells and keep your metabolism on track. And it's also just rich in calcium and many vitamins and minerals. After that, I'm just putting in a little bit of raw unfiltered honey for just sweetener. Then I'm adding a couple handfuls of baby spinach, which is packed with vitamins, and everybody knows that greens are just very good for you in general, which is why I love putting them in my smoothies. I'm also adding a little bit of avocado because I've noticed that it tends to help with the consistency of my smoothies, making it a little bit creamier and thicker. Next, I'm putting in a tablespoon of chia seeds, and chia seeds expand when they are in liquid, so it helps to thicken the smoothie and also adds a little bit more protein as well. I'm also putting in a little bit of banana because you gotta get that potassium. The most important part is the blueberries, and these are just some frozen blueberries I got at the store. Putting in a bunch of those because I really want the blueberry flavor there. And adding some ice. It did struggle to blend at first, so that is why I said I added a little bit more almond milk and water. All right. We have completed our first smoothie. I am literally going off of simply my other knowledge. Like, I've never made these certain ones before that I've planned out. So this is kind of a trial and error on my part too. Honestly, this is really good. The only thing I would say is the protein I've had before, and I think that might be the problem. It does taste like blueberry muffin. It has like just a strange taste to it. If I were to do this again and give pointers to you guys, I'd probably switch it to vanilla protein powder, because vanilla honestly works in everything. It makes everything taste like 10 times better. But this is really good other than that. And to think this has like 2 handfuls of spinach in it, which you can't even taste. I think it's a really good consistency. Like I talked about the avocado, that would make it thicker, as well as chia seeds. You don't have to drink this much smoothie. I just make big ones because they're more like meals for me. And I really like starting my day off with a smoothie because it doesn't feel as heavy as like if I ate a whole breakfast. And I know that I'm still getting a ton of good nutrients in my body. So yeah, that's the first smoothie. It's honestly really good. I'm gonna go drink my breakfast and continue on with my classes because I have a class in like an hour. Stay tuned for tomorrow's smoothie. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the smoothies. Today's smoothie is gonna be one I like to call Green Goddess. So this is kind of inspired off of the green juice I used to drink growing up as a kid. And then I realized that it was like all sugar. I'm gonna try to recreate it here today. So what's gonna be in it is spinach, pineapple, banana, mango, spirulina, orange juice, and water. Without further ado, let's go make the smoothie. I'm starting off with my baby spinach. I'm adding at least 3 heaping handfuls of this because I want this to be the base of the smoothie and to be super green and yummy. Next, I'm adding some banana because y'all know that I love banana and just potassium, yo. Next, I'm putting in my avocado to add that creamy texture, and they are also loaded with nutrients and healthy fats and fiber. Then I have my organic spirulina, which is actually blue-green algae, and it's really good for you because it's super rich in nutrients. And I'm only gonna put in about half a teaspoon of that because it's got a pretty prominent flavor. I don't know why I didn't show it, but I just have a couple bags of mixed fruit. So I'm just gonna throw in some pineapple, some mango, and a little tiny bit of peach because that's mixed in there as well. All the good vitamin C. And adding in my liquids, my orange juice, which again, vitamin C, yay, citrusy. And a little bit of honey for that extra sweet kick. And topping off with the rest of my liquid, which I use just water for this one. All right, that was the second smoothie, the Green Goodness or Goddess, or I don't even remember what I called it, but honestly just so good. I have nothing really bad to say about it. It's very citrusy, so my advice to you if you don't like citrus is to cut back on the orange juice and the pineapple and add more mango or banana. And I hope all of you that try this one that you love it because it's so good. Okay, I will see you for tomorrow's smoothie. Alright guys, I just finished the workout, so you know what time it is. Today's smoothie I'm gonna call Tropical Sunrise. This one's gonna have mango, peach, banana, chia, orange juice, almond milk, and collagen. I'm really excited because I finally get to use my collagen. It is so good for you, and the one that I have, I can only put it in like my tropical smoothies. So let's get started. So because I talked about most of these fruits before, I'm not gonna go over it again. I'm just putting the banana and the frozen fruits in first. The thing I really wanted to talk about during this smoothie was the collagen, which is by Vital Proteins. They make really good flavored collagen and also a marine collagen that is unflavored. It is really good for hair, skin, nails, and joints, and I recommend getting the marine collagen because it's unflavored and you can put it in literally anything. Like If a tropical sunrise had a flavor, this would be it. This is so good. The fact that it's creamy and I know I didn't add any real dairy is like major stoked. Anyways, I'm gonna stop it there. This is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 4. It's gonna have pineapple, strawberry, banana, coconut, almond milk, and collagen. Yeah, so this is my breakfast and I'm really hungry. So let's get to making it. So I'm starting off with putting in my banana. Then I'm putting in 2 scoops of collagen, and I also ended up adding a little bit of maca to this one as well, which is optional. I like to put all my dry and easy ingredients to mix on the bottom and then layer my frozen fruit on top. I don't know if it makes a difference, but that's just how I do it. Then I'm putting in a tablespoon of chia seeds. And then my liquids, my almond milk, and water. And also adding a little bit of honey. Here is the real test. It's good, but I feel like if I had used real fruit instead of frozen, it would have more of the strawberry flavor. I was craving like hella strawberry. Other than that, it is still pretty good. And I'm really excited to show you tomorrow. It's gonna be kind of switch from the fruits. Stay tuned for that last yummy smoothie. So welcome to the last day of smoothies. So this is more of like a protein smoothie because I just did a big workout. Because I'm working out and everything, I want to have a good amount of protein. I'm using about 1 serving, which is about 20 grams because I'm using it in place of a meal. So that's typically the only time that you're going to drink a protein shake is if you're in place of a meal. But today's smoothie is going to be a PB banana chocolate. This one is going to have banana, peanut butter, protein powder, oats, cinnamon, almond milk, and cacao. Just do your research before you go on and do protein powders and everything. Just every body is different. So let's get into that smoothie. I'm just gonna start off by saying that protein powder is definitely not the only source you can get protein from. You can get it from foods like nuts and beans. Plant-based diets usually use protein powder as an easy source. I'm starting off with a whole banana this time because I don't have a lot of fruit in it. Then I have the protein powder, which is a chocolate flavored by the same brand. It actually only has 16 grams in it. So I'm putting that whole thing in there. Next, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs, which are actually rich in antioxidants and help with stress and inflammation as well. These I like because they're like superfood chocolate chips. Next, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, which is equivalent to about 7 grams of protein. You can use any peanut butter you like, really. Then I'm putting in a tablespoon of chia seeds for the thickness. Then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon just for a little extra flavor. And topping it off with a giant cup of ice. And using the coconut almond milk blend for the liquid. I also ended up adding a little dash of oats just for the heck of it. This smoothie is so good. It is like half my protein for the day, but I'm not even mad. So yeah, something sweet and full of good proteins for this last day of smoothies. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that if you try any of these smoothies that you absolutely love them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go to my page and click on the bell to turn on notifications for when I post, which is every Tuesday. I will see you guys next Tuesday. Peace out!